Why I use Fires as my trading broker? Because they give more leverage than other discount brokers. If you want to buy a stock worth of 100 rupees, you require only 10 rupees in Fires. Whereas in other brokers, if you want to buy a stock worth of 100 rupees, you require 20 rupees. That means when Fires gives 10 times leverage, other brokers give only 5 times. And one more thing, if you are making profit for continuously 30 days, they will refund your brokerage in Fires. In this video, let's see how to open a free trading and demat account of Fires. Welcome to Growth channel, where we will learn on trading and invest in ideas of stock market and crypto. Without further ado, let's get started. Before going to the video, let's see what are the documents required to open an account. First one is PAN card, and second one any address proof document such as your voter ID, Aadhaar card, driving license, your latest gas bill or electricity bill. So many things you can give. Next one is Aadhaar card. Make sure that it is linked with any mobile number. It would be easy for them to verify your Aadhaar card. And fourth one, 6-month recent bank statement should be in saving account. Fifth one, a cancelled check leaf. When you are uploading the cancelled check, make sure that you have written cancel on the check leaf. Next is your passport size photo, and the last photo of your signature as per your PAN card. It would be easy for you to keep all these photos of documents with you when you are opening an account. To open a free trading and demat account of Fires, link is given in description. You click on the link and it will take you to this page. Here you have to give your email ID and your mobile number. Once you have given, click on create new account. First you have to upload your PAN card photo. Click on tab to upload. Upload your PAN card photo. When you upload the PAN card photo, all the details on the PAN card will be displayed over there. You have to verify that, and you have to give the name as per your PAN card, as well as date of birth and other things also, like mother's name, marital status and gender, and click on continue. In this page you have to give your address proof. I am giving my voter ID as my address proof. You can give any other documents like voter ID, driving license, Aadhaar, passport, ration card, latest phone bill, latest gas bill, electricity bill, anything you can upload. Uploading the voter ID backside as well as the front side also. Then you have to type your address, postcode, state and city. If you have a different permanent address, click on that. Then click on continue. Here you have to give your bank account details like your IFSC code, bank account number, and bank name. So when you give your IFSC code, all the details of your bank will be fixed over there other than the bank account number. You have to give your bank account number over there and select the bank account type. Mine is saving. I am selecting that. Next you have to give the bank proof. Let's see what they are asking for proof. Bank passbook with the 6-month entry, cancel tax leave and dated 6-month bank account statements. Among this you have to upload only one. I have check leaf, so I am uploading that. If you are uploading the check leaf, make sure that you have written cancel on the check leaf. Next you have to select which are the trading segment to be activated. Equity, derivatives and mutual funds. I am selecting all. Next is financial proof. I am giving latest 6-month bank statement. You can download the statement from your internet banking and upload it to here. Click on continue. In this page you have to give information about you, your occupation, whether you are a student or professional, then your education. Next your trading experience, annual income, commodity category. Since you are a beginner, you give others. If you are not beginner, you can click on as per your category. Are you politically exposed person or related to a political exposed person? Ignore that. Then how do you receive contact or digital? You confirm that. You want to read, you read that. Then click on continue. In this page you have to verify your face. When you come to this page, you will get an OTP to your mobile number. Write down the OTP in a white paper. Make sure that it is visible to everyone. It should be little big. Then hold the paper showing the OTP to the camera and take a selfie of yours. That is live verification. Otherwise you can take your photo with OTP written in white paper and upload in the second option. Both options, your face and your OTP, should be seen in camera frame. I already taken my selfie with OTP. I'm going to upload that. When I uploaded the selfie, I got an error that image is not clear. Then I did with the first option, that is live selfie. Then upload your passport size photo and your signature. Click on continue. Here you can review your details which you have already given. If you want to make any changes, you can go back and change that. Once you check all the details whether it is correct or not, then you can give create account. Yes, successfully completed. You have completed your account opening application with us. Our team will verify the details and contact you soon. After 1 or 2 days, Fire's team will call you and verify your email as well as your Aadhaar number. Make sure that the Aadhaar number should be linked with any of your mobile number. Once they have verified your details and the procedure, they will send you your client ID and your password. Password you can change later. Let's log in into Fire's terminal. Let's see how it would be. You give client ID and password and your PAN number or your date of birth and click on submit. This is the Fire's interface. You can see how beautiful it is, right? You can buy over there, can sell, see all the technical indicators, all the like drawings, everything is given, and you can see all the sectorial indices. You can customize your watch list. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you want to open a Fire's account, link is in description box. You can click on that and open an account. Thanks.